Florida's rainy season runs roughly from June through October, and it changes how your home ages. Heavy rainfall, high humidity, and warm temperatures combine to create perfect conditions for mold, mildew, and algae on exterior surfaces. These organisms commonly show up on siding, roofs, driveways, pool decks, and fences after repeated wet periods. A homeowner might notice green stains forming on the north side of their house after weeks of rain. Or a roof can develop black streaks where algae feed on moisture and organic debris lodged in shingles. Proactive cleaning before the rainy season slows the spread and prevents small patches from becoming large infestations. Anywhere moisture lingers, biological growth will eventually appear. So start with the most vulnerable spots. Shaded siding is one of the top spots because a lack of sunlight lets moisture persist for hours or days. Roof shingles trap moisture, pollen, and debris that feed algae colonies and cause dark streaks over time. Gutters collect leaves and organic matter that hold water against fascia and walls if they are not cleared regularly. Driveway edges and low spots trap water and leaf litter, creating cool, damp microclimates ideal for algae growth. Pool cage structures and shaded pool decks are particularly vulnerable because humidity stays high and airflow can be limited. A shaded backyard wall that stays damp most of the day is a textbook example of where growth begins. A driveway where the leaves collect in the corners and cracks quickly becomes a breeding ground for algae. Organic debris like leaves and pollen feeds algae, so removing that material is essential to control growth. Exterior cleaning does more than improve appearance. It prevents structural damage caused by persistent biological growth. Algae and mold can gradually break down siding, shingles, and painted surfaces, shortening their useful life. Algae on walkways and pool decks can create slippery surfaces and increase the risk of falls for residents and guests. A driveway cleaned early in the season stays safer and slip-free for the entire rainy period. A roof that is cleaned regularly avoids long-term shingle breakdown and often enjoys a longer lifespan. Regular cleaning removes contaminants before they embed in materials, protecting both look and longevity of your home. Pressure washing uses high pressure and is ideal for hard surfaces like concrete and stone. Soft washing relies on low pressure and cleaning solutions to kill mold and algae at the source without damaging delicate materials. Use pressure washing for driveways and stone, but choose soft washing for roofs and siding to avoid surface damage. Cleaning a driveway early removes slippery algae and makes daily tasks like carrying groceries safer in wet weather. Cleaning roof shingles with soft washing prevents surface damage while eliminating the organisms causing the stains. Trim trees to increase sunlight on siding and roofs so surfaces dry faster after rain. Clear gutters frequently so water drains away from the house instead of spilling down walls or pooling at the foundation. Direct sprinklers away from siding to prevent unnecessary wetting that encourages biological growth. Remove leaves and debris near the foundation to reduce moisture traps and organic matter that feed algae. A homeowner trimming trees so sunlight dries siding is a simple, low-cost preventive action with big impact. A homeowner cleaning gutters before the first heavy rains ensures water flows properly and reduces wall staining risks. Prevention works best when cleaning and maintenance are combined and scheduled before the rainy season begins. Florida's rainy season creates ideal conditions for mold and algae, but proactive exterior cleaning prevents those problems from growing out of control. Homeowners who prepare early with cleaning and basic maintenance usually avoid larger, more expensive jobs later in the season. Stay proactive, set a seasonal checklist, schedule soft washing for delicate surfaces, and keep gutters and landscaping maintained. If you prefer professional help, choose contractors who use soft wash systems for roofs and who are licensed and insured. Take action now to protect your home and keep mold and algae from stealing curb appeal and damaging materials during the rainy months. Thanks for watching, and remember that small, regular exterior cleaning steps make a big difference over time.